So you want to see the bike? Here it is. So yes, this is my Reiju RS3 125cc. Now, I am aware there's not many of these left in the UK, very scarce. So I am proud to say that I am, to this current day, the only motovlogger that actively records with a Reiju RS3 on YouTube. Yeah, so I've had this bike for what? I've actually had the bike for like 2 months, but I've only been riding it for 2 days now. And oh my god, what a delight she is to ride. Oh my day, she's so loud too. She is much faster than my Zontes, like much faster. It just goes up to speed so quick compared to my other bike. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving this thing so far. It's amazing to have such a rare bike like this in my possession. I've done her up completely, as you've probably just seen, and yeah, absolutely amazing. Man, she is so fast, oh my god. What a pleasure it is to ride this thing, god.